Hi, it's Sarah from Hair to Dream, and here's a simple heart hairstyle. I started by parting her hair down the middle. Then I took my comb and I started to make the shape of a heart, but I started with the top of the heart first. I drew the general shape of the heart first, and then I went back to perfect the curves of the heart. When you're done with the top of the heart, draw the bottom of the heart with your comb by simply making the shape of a V. Now when you're finished with the heart, put that section of hair aside and pull the rest of the hair back into a ponytail. And then to minimize the flyaways, I just sprayed a little spray gel. Now take your elastic and tie it up into a ponytail. And now you have your first heart. You can either leave it with one heart or you can do two. I chose to do another one. For the second heart, I decided to make it a little bigger. I drew the lines similar to the way I drew the first heart. I started with the top of the heart and then finished by doing the bottom of the heart. When you're done with the second heart, put that section of hair aside and pull the rest of the hair back into a ponytail. Put an elastic into the second heart, making it a ponytail. And now you have two hearts. Now take your Topsy Tail tool, push it underneath the elastic, thread the ponytail through the loop, and pull from the bottom, creating a Topsy Tail ponytail. After the hearts, I decided to add some curls with my curling iron. Before I started to curl her hair, I used heat protectant spray and a bit of hairspray. So I just took equal sections of hair and rolled them up with my curling iron to curl them. I did this with most of her hair, and as you can see, it created a defined, tight curl. After I finished curling her hair, I took my wide tooth comb and just gently combed through her tight curls because I was going for a more loose look, and I love the way they look. You can tell the difference here. One side is combed out and the other isn't, and I just love the loose, more flowy look of the curls on the right side. And that's it. You have a simple heart hairstyle with some pretty loose curls. I hope you like it.